Hello everyone, welcome to Health Tech Zone YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a verified visual credit card and connect it to your PayPal account or use it for all your online transactions. Easy and fast. So let's get started. If you are new here, please make sure you click on the subscribe button there so that you get all the tips and the tricks that I teach here and benefit from it. So first of all, before I start, I want you to go to your Play Store in your mobile phone and search for EcoBank app. Yeah, I've already installed it, so what I want to do is just open it. When you get it, and then you type on open, install it, and then open it. I've get here, say get started. Tap on get start. Do you already have a EcoBank account, or you just want to create a new one? So in this one, is you are creating your own bank account on your phone. You are creating your own bank account on your phone, or without using the virtual card and the rest, you can use it for all your bank transaction and the rest. So when you get here, tap on new. Because I'm creating my new account, I just tap on new and wait for it to finish load. Just a few moments it will. So you tap on here, you select your country. In Africa country, we have some Africa countries that's using EcoBank, a lot of Africa countries. So I choose Ghana. I type on my number. Make sure the number that you are typing is connected to your mobile money number. So I type on my mobile money number 2871569. Tap on and hit click on continue. Wait for just a moment. So now if you have get here, what you need to do is tap on express. Wait and let's verify our number. EcoBank will send us a message for a code. Yeah, so now we are coming to enter our details, our profile. So my name, my name, date of birth, you set your date of birth and the rest. You enter your email address. I enter my email address at gmail.com. I'm a male. You tap on continue. you choose international mobile national ID. I choose my mobile number. Success, we have created it. Now I need to set my digit pin. So I set my pin. I click on continue. Here you add some, so continue. Here you can skip. You can skip here. Allow. Now we have done with our account. We have created our bank account with EcoBank. Now we have our bank account with EcoBank. So now we are going to look at how we can get our credit card. And then make sure, before you get your credit card, make sure you have fund, you deposit money into your account. And then after you have deposited the money into your bank account, after then make sure you pay for 10 cedis to get your card. You pay for 10 cedi before you can get your card. Okay, so make sure you get that understanding, and then let's move on. So now I'm going to let me check my balance. I'm going to check my balance. So this is my balance. I don't have nothing yet, so I need to deposit money into my account before I can request for my this card. So let's go and deposit money into I've transferred this money into my wallet. So now we are heading on to how we can get our credit card. So to start, make sure you look down there. You see home, card, help, notification, and more. So we need to type on card. When you type on card, we have a lot of cards here. We have virtual card, manage cards, block and unblock cards, credit card, repayment, prepaid card top up, and the rest. So because we are looking for we need a visual card. You type on visual card, and then you see what here say, create a visual card. Create a visual card. So you type on create a visual card, and then this one is not free, you need to pay. You pay for it. You type on the amount of money. Is it what kind of card do we want? What kind of cards? We have gift card, we have shopping card. Here you need to choose shopping card, not gift card. Choose shopping card. Shopping card is a visual card, so just choose shopping card. You enter your email address to confirm it. And then I wait for my card. So now I've bought my card, and then this card, now you say what, I've selected express card. I've used not I will pay for 1 CD for the card, and then it's valid for 12 months. That's 1 year. I type on create. You verify your PIN. Wait for it. It's checking it. Yeah. So now let's go and check whether our card is active or not, or is it true that we have get our card or not. So come to card, go to visual card, and then you see create a visual card. You can create many of the cards. Either you create it for someone or for your own. You can create many as you want. So I click on manage card. When I click on manage card, I type on view to view the card. Yeah. So now you see here, my card is what? Active. Now our card is active. We can use it. You can use it. We have active card. So thank you for watching out with this video. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Thank you.